Welcome to HCIC, a professional manufacturer of hydraulic systems in China. For over 25 years, we have been dedicated to designing, manufacturing, retrofitting, commissioning, installing, and providing technical support for hydraulic equipment. Our expertise lies in hydraulic cylinders and power units, catering to various applications, functions, lifting capacities, and size specifications. Our trailer cylinders and garbage truck cylinders have gained remarkable competitiveness worldwide. We export our products to over 100 countries, serving as a trusted supplier to many renowned manufacturing enterprises. Our production floor area is tens of thousands of square meters, a testament to our scale and capabilities. At HCIC, we take pride in our exceptional service quality. Over 90% of our sales come from repeat customers, a clear indication of our commitment to customer satisfaction. We strive for long-term partnerships with businesses worldwide, offering an incredible range of comprehensive services that encompass product quality, competitive pricing, technical expertise, efficient logistics, and reliable after-sales support. We always prioritize our customers' interests, working towards mutual success. Here at HCIC, you will experience a seamless one-stop service. From the moment you engage with us, our team is dedicated to understanding your unique requirements, providing tailored solutions, and ensuring your complete satisfaction. We are driven by a passion for excellence, continuously striving to exceed expectations and deliver unparalleled value. Join us at HCIC and discover the remarkable synergy of our comprehensive service. Together, let's embark on a journey of success and prosperity.
Hello everyone, this is David from HCIC. We are professional hydraulic manufacturer in China. We have professional hydraulic engineer team. We provide good quality products and can save your cost here. We welcome you to visit our factory. Thank you.